Hi, and welcome to your Prince2 2017 Practitioner Series. I'm Jo Peacock, and in this series, what we're going to be doing is taking a look at Prince2 2017 Practitioner. Okay, let's add some context to that then, shall we? What we're going to do is we're going to expand on the Prince2 2017 Foundation Series. And we're going to be adding context to everything in that series. So we're going to be just doing a recap over the project environment itself. We're going to look at the Prince2 processes. We're going to look at the Prince2 themes, and we're also going to look at the Prince2 principles. But what we're going to do is we're going to be conducting exercises and looking at a case study surrounding those particular themes and principles and processes to add context into those elements. And also what I want to try and do is I want to get you to a point where you can apply Prince2 project management methodology in the real world with a real project. And so the case study and the exercises are going to help you see how you can adopt the methodology and adapt it and tailor it to suit your requirements and to suit your projects. Now, we're also going to be as well going over the Prince2 Practitioner sample exam paper. Now, normally what would happen if we were in a classroom, we would be doing Prince2 Foundation and Prince2 Practitioner all in 1 week. Well, obviously we have the luxury here of being able to download all of the material, and so that you can do this at your leisure. But don't expect us to go over any of the foundation material. That's not what we're going to be doing. What we're going to be doing is adding context to the foundation material. So it is imperative that you watch the Prince2 Foundation series. If it's been a while since you've watched it, then I would recommend that you watch it again, because obviously we're going to be exploring all of the concepts that we've talked about in Prince2 Foundation. Now, what you do have accompanying this series is a set of downloadable material, and unlike in your Prince2 Foundation, that particular series, we had a downloadable PowerPoint, so you got to see the PowerPoint as we were going through the episodes. In this particular series, then what we're going to be doing is there's PowerPoint there, so you can download that and you can go through that yourself as we're going through each episode. But you also have a case study, and you have a series of exercises as well as a series of exercise answers. And we'll be addressing those at the end of a lot of our episodes. So that's very advisable for you to download those now. Do this before you even start on the episodes, because that way you've got them ready to launch into as you finish each particular episode. Now, in your downloadable material, you also have the sample exam paper. That's the Prince2 2017 official sample paper. It's also available on the Axelos website, so you can download it from here or you can download it from Axelos. You have a case study or scenario that's attached to that sample paper. You have the question booklet and you have the answer booklet. So you will have 3 items that are relating to the sample paper, and we will be going through that sample paper in some of our episodes as well. So, hopefully, I've whetted your appetite and you're up for some Prince2 2017 Practitioner, and I'm going to look forward to seeing you on our next episode.